Unit 1, Worksheet 1. So it says circle whether each relation is a function or not. And then if not, circle or highlight what makes it not a function. Okay. So on the graphs, remember our definition of a function. It's a set of ordered pairs where every x has only one y. So if we take a line, it's a vertical line, and let's say x is 0 or x is 1, it should only hit this graph one time for it to have only one y. So this one, when x is 1, y is just here above 0. Okay, so that would be a function. Now, I'm not going to circle these because I want you to actually listen to this if you don't know how to do it. So, but this is a function because this line only hits it once. So let's come over to this one. So anywhere I put this line, it only hits it once. So it is a function. Now this one here, it hits it an infinite number of times. It hits it here and here and here and here and here and here. So this is not a function. And what we can do for our circle or highlight is just show that this dot here and this dot here have the same x. It wouldn't matter which two dots. That x has more than one value. That's enough to make it not a function. All right, so now on the next one down here, again, we take our vertical line, and anywhere we put it, it only hits it once. So that is a function. So you would circle yes. This one, all sorts of places, wherever I hit it, if I run this line, it hits it twice, twice, twice. So this is not a function. And what we can do for this one is we can highlight there, or you can circle there or there to show that when x is here, there's more than one value of y. All right, and then the last one, you just take your vertical line, and wherever you run that vertical line, it only hits the function once, so that is a function. On the tables or the graph, the mapping or the set of ordered pairs, what you're looking for is you're looking for a value of x that repeats, that has a different y value than it had before. So all these, the x's are all different, so no x repeats, so that is a function. This one, -4, repeats, and again, and it has a different value of y each time. So that is not a function. We can highlight those 2 points, those 3 points to show that that is not a function. All right, over here on this one, this input, the x, has 2 different outputs that it could be. So that is not a function. So we would circle or highlight that. Right, on these points, all the x's are different. So that is a function. This one, these two x's are the same, and they have a different y value. So this is not a function. This one, all the x values are different. So this one is a function. Right? And on the next part here, explain in at least 15 words how you tell if a relation is a function or not. You can just look at one of those and explain to me how you determined if it was a function or not. But more than that, I really want you to tell me how something is not a function.